Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to allow camera and microphone on Google Chrome in Windows 11. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to turn on your computer and wait until your Windows 11 system completely loads up. Make sure everything is fully ready before proceeding to the next step, as this ensures a smooth experience throughout the process. Once your PC is ready, navigate to your Windows desktop and open your Google Chrome web browser. After Chrome launches, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a three-dot icon, often called the menu button. Go ahead and click on this icon and a drop-down settings menu will appear with several options. From this menu, look for and click on the settings option, which is typically accompanied by a gear icon. This action will open up your browser's main settings page where you can customize various aspects of Chrome. Once you're on the settings page, look at the left-hand menu panel. You'll see several categories listed there. Click on Privacy and Security to access security-related settings. This section is crucial because it controls how websites interact with your personal data and hardware like your camera and microphone. After clicking Privacy and Security, you'll see multiple options appear on the right side of your screen. Now scroll down slightly until you find the Site Settings option and click on it. This is where Chrome manages permissions for different websites and what features they can access on your computer. Within Site Settings, you'll notice a section labeled Permissions that contains various options. Under this Permissions section, you'll see both camera and microphone options listed among other features. Click on the camera option first. Here you can enable camera access for websites by toggling the permission on. You might also see a list of websites that you've either allowed or denied camera access to in the past, which gives you full control over which sites can use your camera. After configuring your camera settings, go back and click on the microphone option to do the same thing. Toggle the permission on to allow websites to access your microphone when needed. Keep in mind that these settings may vary depending on which websites you visit. Some sites will still prompt you for permission even after enabling these settings, which is a security feature to protect your privacy. You've now successfully configured Chrome to allow camera and microphone access on your Windows 11 computer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.